Yo, what is up, everybody? It is your boy LJ Ballers 11 here, and today the new Marshawn Lynch Bowl Master set came out, and I haven't opened my legendary packs, so I'm trying to open them today and see if I can pull them or any other legends. So let's check this out, guys. 99 Marshawn Lynch. I didn't know they're gonna come out with him. It's gonna be a really good player. Oh, I do that. Alright, so you have 4 milestones. Look pretty legit. Let's go right into the pack openings, guys. I have my case off, so I don't know if you can hear the taps and all that. But I think I have where you can see my pointers, but yeah. Okay, let's get to the first pack. And I just lowered my team down because I saw a lot of people doing that and they got good pulls, so I was like, what the heck? You never know. Classic pack, 5 or gold, better players and a legend item. Let's go. Open. Alright, here we go. 91 John Brown, not that bad. 78 Kendrick Lewis. Calvin Johnson. Well, there's the first one, guys. We still got 2 more. Anything is possible. I swear if I pull this Marshawn Lynch, I'm gonna be so happy, but you know, there's like a 1 out of 1,000 chance of pulling it. 78 Chad Greenway, Sterling Moore, Toby Gerhart, I think. 80 Chris Houston. Josh Mack. I don't know. I didn't read that one. Our last pack, guys. Don't want it to be a waste of all my money. Oops. All right. 76 Mike Adams. 75 Jameel McLean. Damn, my voice. Kendrick Thornton. Tommy Kelly. Oh, we got 4 golds. Marshawn Lynch. Well, yeah, guys. That brings it to the end. I guess I didn't pull anything good, but it's all good. And I wanted to show y'all something. A really decent punt returner. He's a cheap price, like 5K, I think, or something. But look at his stats for an 83 punt return. I just want to show y'all this, if I haven't already showed y'all in a previous video. Whoa. Okay. I think his name's Mike Page or something. Or Eric Page, yeah. Look at these stats. 81 speed, 99 strength, 99 agility, 99 acceleration, 99 awareness, 67 kick return, 91 catch, 92 elusiveness, 90 ball carrier vision, and 99 juke move. Well, that brings it to the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace out.